One, 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 two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, how are you guys? How are you? All right, about to get trigger long here on the Pound Yen. Pretty nice setup if you ask me. Um, I'm feeling better, Kurt. I'm feeling better. My throat is still killing me, but again, that's just the way it is, right? But thank you for asking, mate. I appreciate that. So, what did we have here? Pretty nice point of interest. Scare money don't make money, right? Who here closed that trade early? Nice order block here. Point of interest. So yeah, I'm still holding my sugars, my gold. Oh boy, gold shorts. Went in a drawdown for a little bit, but yeah, I'm holding that. And forex side. If you haven't watched my update on this trade, well, I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna put the London session on black too. Everything's going to be black now. You feel me? I'll do that later. So, now this, I'm gonna go here a little less. Yeah, 25. And this is going to be a 25 or 2. Just too bright. All right, so any questions, guys? Whilst we look for some cool setups. Uh huh. Any questions whilst we look for some cool setups? So, this pound yen, we might as well look for some a little bit higher. Um, we could, in fact, look for higher targets right here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So sorry. Sorry. We will see if we get triggered. I mean, it looks like we're going to get triggered. But just have a look at this on the hourly chart, guys. On the hourly chart, this looks massively, um, drawy, right? There's a ton of stops there. There's a ton of liquidity up here that the market is about to draw on. To liquidate. I don't know. So we got the trap, we got liquidity formed at the trap, we got these double bottoms. So that's amazing, right? That is quite amazing in the sense that now I have my complete setup, like this. So I'm gonna wait for that one. Gold looking phenomenal. Blam. We have a very good short in gold with the VIP group. If you have any questions, just go ahead and type it in the chat. Yes, I got in a little early, but that's fine. That's completely fine. Shorts. The US dollar is rallying. I'm gonna go and log into my squawk. Onto my squawk. Onto my squawk. Playing page.
Player refreshed.
Don't feel urgency to cut rates. God damn. How about that? Thank you. Thank you for that, man. Oh no. What I want to do is this. My VIPs also get, updates on, from my news terminal. Dun, dun, dun. Initial jobless claims report. That didn't help the markets at all, right? Aluta, how are you, man? Aluta, one of our newest F1 strategy traders. He spotted this, I think. Hold on, I'm gonna show you because it's fun, 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 fun. They're trading this right now. This is a short on. Um, Hold on, somebody's at the door. ¿Quién es? Raquel. Ah, it's my housekeeper. Are you from the UK? No, I'm from El Salvador, mate. That's right. And yeah, they're trading that. That's the F1 strategy, mate. So fuck it. We are trading some other stuff ourselves. Waiting on this. I mean, waiting to get triggered here. I'm gonna place on an alert just to get. Where the fuck are you? Here. Yes. I want to get alerted when I get triggered. Which alerts do I have? Boomba. And this one I don't need anymore. All right, so looking for longs on the US dollar would be a good idea. But the thing is that I need a pullback, mates. I need a pullback towards this zone, and I don't think I'm gonna get it. So this would be my pullback zone for today on the USD. Since we have some liquidity at the trap, I don't think we're going to get it. This is super strong. This is very much due to Fed Williams not feeling the urgency to cut rates, etc. And also we got. Let's have a look at the calendar. Um, Initial jobless claims came lower than expected. That is good. Continuing jobless claims higher than the prior number. So that's pretty mixed, right? Philly Fed came super higher than expected. Williams speaking. We don't have too Netflix. I mean, earnings today, but we don't trade stocks. U.S. Treasury. We don't have a ton going on here, news side. So we might as well just continue trading. Very nice close here in gold futures. Super, super bearish close here in gold futures. I'm going to lower my stop losses to below that high. Since the structure has been broken, I am going to lower it here. All right. I'm going to do the same for my CFD, which is this particular with this particular signal that I sent to my VIPs. All right. I'm moving my stop losses in gold, right? Ask away, guys. Ask away. This is not going to be a super, long show. I still have COVID, and I don't want to force it, right? Moving stop loss in gold, shorts to above the pre-market highs at that. Right, so that's good. Cutting my risk in gold. Cutting my risk in gold. Cutting my risk in gold. So yeah, I just cut my risk in gold, and we're going to have a look at NQ. At the Nasdaq futures. whilst we get filled along here on the pound yen. Pretty nice. We are about 10 pips from getting filled long on the pound yen here on a great setup, right? Whilst I do that, and whilst I wait for you to ask me some question, I used to think he was from the UK. No, yeah, I mean, I speak flawless English, mate, but no, I'm from El Salvador. Just look at the color of my skin. Yep, everything's going to be black. Black. Black, 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 black. And black. And black. No, New York Session also wanted black. I wanted painted black. I see black. Black. Painted black, I said. Yeah. Beautiful. All right. Now, I'm from El Salvador, mate. Yeah. I am from the tropics. That is correct. All right, so let's wait and see what we have here. A pretty good spike here. Let's have a look at the USD CAD. Where are you? GBP USD. All right. Let's see if we can get some pullback plays here on the US dollar. USD CAD. Wow. This is choppy as fuck. Remove drawing. Super choppy, the 50-minute on the USD CAD. Where's the Euro USD? I can't find it. Gold. Bitcoin. Ethereum. Well, there's no Euro USD, so I'm going to add it. No. Euro USD futures. That's cool, but no. Yes, I do have the Euro USD. Where are you? You know what? All right, so now, should we be looking for US dollar, Euro US dollar shorts? Yes, I believe so. I mean, there's two school of thoughts here, guys. I'm looking for US dollar strength myself, right? I am looking for US dollar strength. So, by looking for US dollar strength, I'm going to look for Euro USD weakness. Now, what can you see here? What can you see here? All of these spikes, right? This is liquidity right here. Is it a trap? Kind of a trap here? I mean...
Just under 10 minutes now until we get the existing home sales for March for the US. Expecting a 4.2 million on a prior 4.38 million. And existing home sales month on month for March, expecting a negative 4.1% on a prior 9.5%.
I don't know.
For February's existing home sales inventory of homes for sale, they sold 1.07 million units.
I don't know.
And February's national median home sale for existing homes was at $384,500, or 5.7% from Feb 2023.
All right, let's have a look at equities, because that's where we're going to make some money.
At the top of the hour, we also expect the leading index from the US for March.
All right. Gold still printing money. I am not going to delete this. Gold, short. I really like this setup. And I'm going to look for some. Listen, guys, you're going to only. What does ES, NQ, and GC mean? Right. ES, it's the E-mini S&P 500. This chart right here. It's the futures contracts for the S&P 500, right? Maybe because you don't trade futures, what you are trading is the US 500. NQ is the E-mini Nasdaq. So it's the futures contract for the Nasdaq, and GC is gold futures. Is the futures contract for gold. This one right here. Those are the main three futures contracts that I trade. Right. Well, what do you know? I was looking right. This I want to. I really, really, really want to. You know what? Here. NQ there. Right. I really want to forward test this possible long on crude oil. CL is crude oil futures. All right. From now on, you're going to see crude, futures trading on my live shows, mate. But if I take a trade, I'm going to show you which CFD I am taking it on. So don't worry about it. So this is this. I'm not taking this trade on future on crude oil. This is just me back to forward testing a possible setup because just have a look at this, right? I'm going to show you what I'm looking at here. Pretty simple. When I go to the 5 minute chart right there, just to pinpoint exactly where we should be entering. Right, so this is what I'm looking at. Pretty nice liquidity sweep right here. Right, actually, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to just use this. So, very nice liquidity sweep here, and you know what? I want to change the color too. Yeah, white. So last sweep of the lows, meaning this is where the character in this market changed from bearish to bullish. This is the swing high that caused a market structure shift. Now, yes, this possible long is just below equilibrium, so this could be in fact be an optimal setup long in crude oil. But again, I don't trade crude oil aggressively. I'm still forward testing it. So this is for the forward testers. If the regular movement of gold and gold futures are the same, why would you want to trade gold futures then? Because this is a funded 150K account, mate. Um, yeah. I mean, this is still the evaluation phase, but here, I'll show you. Yeah, so here you go, account summary. Um, yeah, this is 150K. I'm up 1,300. I started trading it yesterday. So yeah, I mean, account balance 1,000. Yesterday I made $1,000. And today I'm up $260. So yeah, the idea is to make $9,000 trading futures, so I can get a $150,000 real futures account and trade it. It's basically the same thing, just get it's about getting more buying power, mate. It's just about it's about buying power, right? Nothing else. Did we get triggered or not? Well, the liquidity has been swept, my friends. All right, I'm gonna show you something. Before I go, guys, what pair is that of the liquidity sweep? This one right here. This is the pound yen. So we do have here an imbalance, and the sweep and the liquidity sweep just tagged that imbalance, right? I'm playing the second one. the imbalance left by this order block, the last order block, right? So that's the one that I always play. But let's see what happens, right? The previous, this one. That's gold. This is gold futures, mate. This is gold futures. But you know, gold. That's gold. You're welcome, John. So, guys, as you already know, I still have COVID. So, you're gonna get me for about, yeah, for about another 5 minutes or so. The middle, this one. Shit. This one, yeah, this one is crude oil futures. It's looking pretty good, right? I mean, if you ask me, here's equilibrium. Uh, it's looking pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna take it. I probably will if I'm being honest with you. There's nothing on equities, equity side. I have nothing, nothing interesting really. No setups for me on the Nasdaq today. Just gold and uh, this possible crude oil long. Very, very nice. And this order block, I love it. I don't know about you. And also, if you notice here, we do have we are getting, this is a trap, right? Here's a trap, and that, my friends, just liquidity at the trap. I like it. I don't know. I like it. So we'll see, guys. Hey, if you want to, trade with me every day, you can join my VIP group. It's only, I don't know, it's like 35 pounds a month. We make it cheap so everybody can join, because I do believe that everybody, there's enough money in these markets for everybody to profit, right? Yeah. But this is looking very good. Now, gold, gold is looking very good too. I'm not going to touch this trade at all. Just moved my stop losses to above that pre-market high. But the structure, has shifted completely. Now, yes, I was very, 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 very early. But the thing, guys, is that I have been missing my entries in gold and silver by 2 pips, by 3 pips, and I just wanted to get filled. So, yeah, definitely. All right, so Daddy, most definitely. I think you're new here. Welcome. The thing is that, right? I understand what you're saying. Of course, we should. When I'm saying what I always look for myself, of course, these are ICT concepts. You understand them very clearly, right? I did not invented the wheel. My man ICT invented this. I just took it and made it my own, right? And what I look for is this. I'm gonna show you, right? Because I think it'll make sense to you. So that's my point of interest. This is an order block, right? I call it point of interest because we also sometimes I'm using an inverted fair value gap or a breaker too. So it's a combination of things, not only an order block, right? In this case, it's just an order block, but that's fine. That's why I label it point of interest. It's not that I'm trying to hide that it's an order block, of course not. But what I look for is this. The first thing that you're taught when you come to trading is that whenever price breaks with a level of, in this case, resistance or highs, right, you should wait for the retest to get long. And that is the liquidity at the trap. So here's that liquidity at the trap that I always look for to stay very close to my point of interest that fuels the trade, right? So basically, what I'm hunting are weak players in the market before it goes like this. Yeah, so that's the whole idea behind what I trade, right? I mean, it's ICT concepts, but it's one entry model. I need to look for the same. I mean, I look for the same thing over and over and over, and this is looking phenomenal, if you ask me. So if you don't trade futures, you can look it on to WTI. This is another one that I'm looking at, right? I'm looking for longs on the pound yen, but it's not the same thing, right? I still like it. Um, so here you should look at possible WTI, U.S. oil, etc. Same thing, right? It's the same price action. It's just a different product, financial product to trade it. All right. So what we want here to see in crude oil in gold is just a drop. Right. So I'm gonna give you 5 minutes, guys. My it's cicada season here in El Salvador, so you might listen to some noise. It's just cicadas. And let me show you why what I meant by missing out. Um, this is what I meant by missing out. This is what I meant by missing out. Just have a look at this fuck. This one hurt. This one hurt the most, right? So my entry was here, and I didn't get triggered by 7 pips. And then silver went on to rally, what, 10% or so. Yes, I wouldn't have caught the entire move, but I would have caught a super clean move, at least to this level. I would have never caught the entire move because I take profits along the way, right? And I'm a day trader too, so. But yeah, I missed that. So I've been missing my entries in metals by a few pips. So today I really wanted to get triggered, short gold. And boy, did I get triggered. All right, so no questions. Thank you for joining me, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. And we can have, you know what? I'm going to stay no, I can't wait. I mean, I'm feeling terrible. But, I'm going to send a video with this possible setup, to all channels, just as a heads up. I don't know if I'm going to take it. I'll possibly will take it, and targets are going to be what? Yeah, this is what the hell? 6R. A possible 2.5R, 2.5R or so, like this. Yeah, it's looking phenomenal. Right, so thank you for joining me, guys. Uh-oh. And again, trade safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.